Now that you have understood the different categorizations of the ABD Igbo, it will now become easier for you to make use of those letters in forming words and be able to pronounce them correctly in words and in sentences. The first categorization of the 36 ABD Igbo is Udaume, followed by Mbochume and Yiri Udaume. In this class, we'll discuss Udaume, which is the first division. Okay? Udaume is very important because without them, you cannot form Igbo words. There is no Igbo word that does not contain Udaume except M, as I discussed in the lesson. So I'm very happy that we have looked into this. Okay, in the next class, we're going to discuss Mbochume, the consonant letters. And with this knowledge of Udaume and the various divisions of Udaume, and then the accurate pronunciations of those Odaume letters, that is Odaumfe and Odaru. Um, I believe that henceforth, when you find those letters in Igbo words, you'll be able to pronounce them correctly, so that when you see Odaro, you don't pronounce it wrongly as an Odamfe letter. So, in order to support your learning, I have developed video courses on Udemy, which you can take to support your learning. So I have the video course for this particular lesson that extensively discusses most of those topics. Okay, if you go on Udemy, you look for Chuku Christian Onyemechi or IgboLingua. All right, so you take our course if you like to learn more, or you get the newly launched books dedicated to learning Asosio. There are two major books that I launched recently that treat some of those topics. The first one is Biamota Igbo 1. Biamota Igbo 1. Basics Igbo language course. Okay, that first book is for the basics.